my doctor, and they asked me to kurangkan exposure with others because my coughing is so bad. Bukan COVID lah. Alhamdulillah bukan COVID. But it's saya takut berjangkit dengan orang lah. So hopefully after midterm we can meet face to face. So before we start suppose I will briefing first according to your assignment. Some of you still do not get right idea about what to do and how to do it. So bear with me if you keep hearing my coffee during the session. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good morning to all. Okay, basically this is our first official meeting. So today I will brief a little bit regarding to what this course offered and how to conduct this session. Supposedly, this course will be covered by me and Prof. Kerunita. Prof. Kerun only covered one part, which is building information modeling, and the rest will be covered by me lah. So these courses is a construction information technology. Basically an application for IT in construction. So for these courses, assessment will be divided into 3 parts, which is group assignment, carry 30% from 30% marks lah. So mid test also 30% and final examination 40%. So usually this course student either you excellent ataupun in between middle range lah. Sebab most of your mark will be covered during the group assignment and mid semester test. And saya rasa pernah je ada student last semester dapat 98 markah dia A+, because they do their group work and mid-sem very well lah. Then final exam, of course you can score from that, but if you manage to got at least 50 as your carry mark, A is in your hand lah before you enter the final exam. So I really hope that you can manage your group work, group assignment, and you can score your mid-semester test, which is will be conducted in week 7 after the pilihan raya. And after that, final examination tentatively in week 15. So group assignment, as you can see here, the submission date will be same as your what we call it, presentation date. So this semester, instead of each group present to me, I hope currently I still planning to get a few panels, so you can make a roadshow ataupun pitching session with expert panel. So you need to do the simulation on your system development and explanation within 10 minutes for each group lah. Okay, so hopefully it will go as our plan, because you can see this semester we got a lot of holidays and cuti, and hopefully it will not affect the group assignment punya progress. Okay, so what knowledge you will acquire from this course? Okay, as a QS, you have been to your latihan industry, so you know that a lot of information that QS need to manage during the pre-construction stage and post-construction stage. So this course will help you to understanding how to manage the knowledge and information, and how to design a system that can help you in managing your information, and you also can get exposure about all the application regarding to the IT in the construction industry. And last but not least, this is depends on your skill to develop a method to building information system for a construction organization, which is your group assignment. So as you can see, one topic will cover test, which is CLO1. Topik 1 akan hanya topik satu saja yang akan masuk test. So I hope you can study the notes and also watching lecture notes by Prof. Keronita. After that, for final exam is about the system development life cycle and also concept of knowledge management, and including the application of information technology in construction industry. Last but not least, organize information and develop a method ataupun a system for construction organization to solve their problem. Okay, this is basically the planning that and outline for the whole semester. Management of for information system. Week first we have holiday. Week 2, week 3 ke week 4 sekarang? 4 kan?
Week 4.
Anyway, 4 kan? Sebab last week saya sampai warded. That's why we need to defer our class. So that's why I'm sharing your recorded lecture, so you can learn from that. So this week we need to cover system development life cycle. After that, week 7 is test week. So week 6, next week we cuti sebab ikut perkeliling hari Khamis dah start. Student have been given special cuti for the election, so we cannot do any class that day. So next week also I will share some. Sini saya dah upload semua lecture on knowledge management, and we will discuss further after the test week. Lepas tu, information technology application. This one, week 9 until week 12. Basically, 1 week will cover by Prof. Keronita, and the rest I will invite Dr. Faiz Azizi for VR and AR. We will play some games in the BIM CDs, BIM Center. If possible, I will arrange all of you will have experience to using the VR Cave and also Oculus for IBS game that we have already developed. So I will try to rearrange schedule lah, because at least 20% per session. So I will try to manage some Dr. Azizi time lah to make sure that all of you will have an experience playing the Oculus and also a VR Cave. So week 40 will become the presentation. Usually the information technology week 30, barriers in implementation IT in construction. This one we don't ask in the final, And also this topic is also a common sense. If you know about the technology, you know the barriers. So currently barrier is not one of the topic because all of the company or organization in construction industry, they already implemented some technology in information. The dia kata the minimal lah, Google Drive and also cloud computing already implemented in construction organization. So we go to the grouping and assignment. I already go through a list of groups and some topic that you already proposed. So because this class got almost 79 student, so a lot of group which in dalam 10-11 juga lah kan, sebab 5. Okay, but tapi group tu saya ada approve, cuma topics and the method that you want to develop tu sama, semua mostly purpose Excel. So apa yang saya share the example tu is only example. So if you want to use Excel, you can use Excel, but to make sure that the system is wow, I hope you can use some programming language that you already learned during your introduction in built environment with Dr. Azwari. You can use Python, VBA, any existing platform in internet lah, ataupun you may use mobile phone as a part of your system development. So bespoke software also can be accepted, which is you just need to customize the features and the component of the system. Okay, so for this group assignment, if you can see here, you are required to identify a problem within the existing process or current system or current application in quantity surveyor tasks. So make sure what you do is on the to solve the role of QS in managing data or improve the process of system application. So you can create a new system, or you can use any existing system or any software that you already come across during the internship. Lepas tu, you need to develop a simple and practical information tool to assist the QS tasks. So you may use Excel to help you develop your proposed system ataupun any developing system available. Adobe boleh pakai, Microsoft Access boleh, C++, Visual Basic, Python, bespoke system, anything that you interested to integrate with your ideas. After that, you need to identify the weaknesses in the existing process and propose solution. So this one, you need to make sure that your problem must have the outcome will generate the decision making, bukan database. Contohnya you just kumpul information dekat situ, but that system cannot help QS in making decision to the issue lah. So the system must have the automation, and also the output will generate will help the QS in making decision. After that, you need to identify the strength of your proposal. You kena letaklah the lacking in the existing system and the strength of your proposal. Lepas tu, the weaknesses and limitation. Because there is no perfect system in the world, so you need to identify what is your system lacking, ataupun apa yang your apa yang you boleh improve if you have time, money or cost ataupun modal untuk membuatkan sistem tu complete. Lepas tu duplication among group is not allowed. So topik, so far saya tak buat lagi the topic because too broad. There are few group that too broad that I need to clarify with your group. But similar topic will not be entertained, so I will check who is the first key in into the apa nama sistem tu, apa nama Padlet tu. So the first group that key in the information ataupun the topic will get the topic. So instead of you focus on, I can see a lot of measurement part, you also can explore ataupun apa ni, kembangkan you punya idea into other subject such as construction economic, cost study, construction safety, professional practice, construction technology, any topic ataupun any courses that you already have been learn during first year until currently lah, and also in your internship session. So suppose next week is the last week to acquire ataupun to get approval of the topic. So I will try to wait it during the next week lah. So if your group have some justification if ataupun nak explain sendiri the topic or assignment tu, so we can arrange a short discussion online short discussion, and if you got the approval, you may proceed with your ideas. And presentation is compulsory. So for presentation, usually only one person to present. You need one person to present. The rest, one person to do the simulation of the system, and the rest must be get ready for Q&A session. So all the members must be work together. So if the presenter can help the others during the Q&A, it will be good. But the rest that do not do the presentation must answer all the panel questions. Okay, for the reporting and the system, the language that you need to use is English. For the report writing, the report must not exceed 10 pages. And if you need to exceed it because you have a lot of appendix or information, then you may show us to me, because I need to get the approval from the Prof. Kirun. After that, all the report must contain information related to the system, who own the information. Lepas tu, which process of the system will be improved. This one, you need to come up with a flow chart, compare the existing system and new and your proposed system, how many steps that can be reduced, which is you can change the existing step and convert it into automation part, which is just click, then all the system will run by themselves. What is the new process? Okay, this you need to compare with number 1 and number 2 with flowchart too. Who are the beneficial user? Siapa yang akan guna pakai sistem tu? And benefit and limitation of your system. Your report should be in following format. You may follow this format. And also need to include the title. This is similar with any other reports. So submission should be in digital format. Sebab your punya system tu tak boleh upload dalam e-learning usually. So I hope you know what is CD. You need to burn ideal CD or pen drive, but pen drive is mahal kan, instead of CD. CD is only RM2 and RM3. you need to burn your system in the CD together with the report, and after that you need write the name of your group and on the CD. Lepas tu this one is content of the CD. Okay, date of submission will be same with the date of presentation, unless during the presentation there are some panel that want you to do some amendment, which is will reflect to your marks. If you do the correction, then you may submit after the correction have been made. Okay, so presentation. Okay, so far this is I already explained about the presentation. So this is the rubric for group work. So issue you can read this lah. If your issue problem for the system development I was explained in clear, show complete understanding process, fact and accurate, then you get 4 until 5. So usually you must get 10 ataupun sinilah yang method of development ni, system development, you must carefully shows how the function, ability. This one is during the simulation. Usually the group that manage to come up with the wow system, biasanya dapat yang kat sini lah. In this part dia akan dapat 9 ataupun 10. Then biasanya when you can score this part, then the rest is cover it. So this is the list of reference if you want to read further regarding to the knowledge management, system development, computer concept. So hopefully you can do a good job with the group assignment. Okay, for that particular issue, is there any question? Ada nak tanya soalan tak on group assignment ataupun anything lah before we go to the game session? Ada soalan? Before, okay. Tak ada. Semua faham group assignment? So next week, suppose you guys need to get approval for your group assignment. Sekejap, saya cari mana. So get ready with your phone, because we will play Kahoot game. So this game basically want to see whether you read or not. Lecture 1, topic 1, management for information system. Sekejap, saya tengah cari mana dulu. Okay. Okay, get ready to play this game. So for your information, the first, second, third place, I got a prize for you. So after this class, please seek me to get your prize lah. Okay, make sure you use name that I can recognize who is you. Can you tak boleh main ni? Sekejap. Sekejap What's happened here? Okay, cuba balik. Saya Ais pelurung je. Okay. Tak apalah kalau macam tu. Then we play this game during next time lah. So make sure you study. Okay, make sure you read all the information ataupun nota yang saya dah share on the management on information system. Sekejap. Okay. So today we will continue with, so Kahoot tu will hold, kita sambung masa face to face punya meeting nanti sebab I need to upgrade my account. Okay, so you already understand. I hope you already see the video lecture. You can know that there are 5 characteristics of useful information, type of information